I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, today is November 25th, 2020. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and I just want to take the opportunity to update you guys on Keep Your channel of what's been going on lately. So as many of my viewers may have noticed, I haven't posted any videos since, September, I think. It's been a while. And I just want to take a moment to update everyone about what's been going on, and why there aren't many new videos. So, back in late September, it was around the time that I shot the Cooking with Intel video, the Pentium D Ramen Noodles video, that one. It was right around the time that I was starting to get ill. Now I never was officially tested, but my doctor believes that I had COVID-19. It was right around the time I was doing that video, that day, that I noticed symptoms. Had a mild fever, body aches, and stuff like that. And for about the course of 2 weeks, I had a sore throat and I was super hoarse. So, I was pretty much knocked out of commission for a while. Couldn't really make any videos because I didn't have a voice. And I recovered from that. I self-quarantined for about 10 days or so. I followed medical advice, you name it. So I recovered from that, but it's just there's been so much stuff going on in my personal life lately that I just haven't had, or haven't really felt like dealing with YouTube. I have shot a few videos here and there. I just got to sit down at the computer and actually get those published. It does take a little bit of work and time. So things going on with work, things going on in personal life. It's partially why I haven't been able to. Partially why I haven't really dealt with YouTube much lately. I just had to take a break from it. To be honest, this year has been so crazy, with the COVID situation, just with everything in general. Lots of my friends are going through really trying situations, and of course I've tried to do what I could to help. But yeah, I just had to take a break from YouTube for a while. I'm going to try to get back into the swing of things. As mentioned, I have shot some videos. I just got to work on those and get them published. And I got some new stuff to shoot videos about. So I'll be trying to get that posted as well. Pretty much similar story with Cube Comp MTDX. I did shoot some additional winter videos. Matter of fact, I got some good footage of Tropical Storm Zeta when it moved through here. It was quite an event, and I know that the people over there will definitely love to see that. So yeah, as mentioned, back in late September, I came down with the coronavirus. I'm gonna say unofficially because I never did get tested, but I had the symptoms I had, according to my doctor, were exactly what would describe a mild case of COVID. So yeah, during that time period, I stayed home, self-quarantined, didn't see anybody for at least 10 days. So, and then of course everything after that, it's been crazy. So anyways, I just want to take a moment to update you guys on things. I hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Keep Your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.